welcome to the channel, Pcar Talk, and we're going to build my simulator. So you saw Mike's get built by, well, me, but now it's time to build my own. So I ordered an RSeat called the RS1 spec is what it was from Bulgaria, I think is where the company's located out of. But I got here pretty quick. I think I got here within probably 6 days. DHL shipped it. Shipping was pretty cheap and it came just like this, so all wrapped up, little box. So let's get into it. As you can see, the rig's complete, ready to go, ready to do some community racing, ready to get some, hopefully some wins, maybe take some losses, we'll see. I'm getting better, learning. So, as I said, I got the Fanatec CSL Elite wheel pedals with the combination of the RSeat that you saw, the RS1. I had the same headphones as Michael has, the Astro A50 wirelesses on the Xbox One. Your tag is going to be Pcar Jesus, so you can follow that and like, comment, share, and if you haven't subscribed already, do that. We'll see you guys later.